The rain taps softly on the glass. Memories float like moments past. The night is long, the streets are bare. A lone piano fills the air. Each note a tear, each chord a sigh. Beneath this velvet, starless skies. Oh, whispers in the rain, tender as a sweet refrain. Echoes of a love so true. In every drop I think of you. A candle flickers by the pane. It's like a beacon in the rain. The world outside may sleep tonight, but in my heart your love's a light. The distant thunder rumbles low, reminds me of when you would go. But even in this silent room, your presence chases all the gloom. Oh, whispers in the rain, tender as a sweet refrain. Echoes of a love so true. In every drop I think of you. It's like a beacon in the rain. The world outside may sleep tonight, but in my heart your love's a light. 8 years we danced in sunlight's glow. Now shadows whisper, where did you go? Every laugh echoes in the dark. Memories fade, leaving just a mark. We shared secrets, dreams, and endless skies. But now I'm lost beneath these tear-streaked eyes. Your voice, it haunts me like the wind, in a silent room where songs can't begin. 8 years we held the world so tight, and now it slips away like stars in the night. Heartbeats echo in an empty hall. When you lose your friend, you lose it all. Photos on the walls, they're just a frame. Tell a story, but never feel the same. Your laughter's gone, replaced by sighs. A friendship's grave marked by goodbyes. I search for answers in